used to visit all the very gay places, those Conway places where one relaxes on the axis of the wheel of life, together feel of life from jazz cocktails. The girls I knew had sad and silent grey faces with distant gay traces that used to be there. You could see where they'd been washed away by too many through the day. 12 o'clock tales. Then you came along with your siren song to tempt me to madness. I thought for a while that your poignant smile was staged with the sadness of our great love for me. Oh yes, I was wrong again. I was wrong. Life is lonely again, and only last year everything seemed so sure. Now life is awful again. A trap full of hearts could only be a war. A week in Paris will ease the battlefield. All I care is to smile in spite of it. I forget you, I will. Why yet you are still burning inside my brain. Romance is much stifling those who strive. I live a lush life in some small dive, and there I'll be while I rode with the rest of those whose lives are lonely too. everything seems so sure. Now life is awful again. A trough full of hearts who only be a bore. Our week in Paris will ease the part of it. All I care is to smile in spite of it. I forget you, I will. Why are you are still burning inside my brain? Romance is much stifling those who strive. I live a lush life in some small